Welcome to another Disney video from the Mouse Diva. Hope you saw part 1 of today and the previous check-in day vlog.
Moving pictures. Hello there, moving pictures.
What's up, Dad? I've been all around the world. Every city, every place. Always been a restless girl.
So, since we're nursing our drinks here, Navi River's 45 minutes, which means it's probably 35 minutes. So, we're going to go ahead and get in line.
Right here.
Tom's starting the timer. Minute wait. So guys, what Disney does is they inflate the times to make people think that the times are really long when they look at them, and so that you'll buy Genie Plus Lightning Lane. Don't fall for it. Look at the girls' ears in front, how they shine. The blue light or black light. It's called black light. I got it right. Okay, Tom's magic band is going off. Mine is not doing anything. Why does it go off in the ride? That's cool. Mine is defective. That's so cool. Oh, look, now mine's doing it. It's not vibrating or anything. It's just making lights. We're in the Pandora gift shop. Hadn't been in here in years. Oh, this is a sketch pad. Oh, you can't open it, but you can see the colored pencils in there. $24.99.
For coffee cup. So
Tom's checking out. It's a stir. You can stir all the cream and sugar that you put in your black coffee. Ooh, now I do like these. That's cool. $16.99. Ooh, I also like the cool pen. $15 for a pen? No.
We talked to Reese, and I actually talked to nearby friends, so if I put her back here, her friends up there talked to Reese too.
Oh, they did? Okay, so that's what's inside these eggs, is one of these. And you wear them on your wrist. Well, that's pretty cool. Alright, let's check out their pennies. So here you can get 8 for $5. Oops, sorry. They do. So look at what, like, we're kind of matchy today. Kind of wearing, you know, he said he was going to wear this, and I was like, well, I have a green shirt, I'll wear it. Ooh, a Venus flytrap. Okay, I like how they did those. That's cool. $20. That's neat. Okay, actually, I love how they put this in a beaker.
Oh, I thought that was a shot glass.
No, it's a beaker. That's so cool. I came so close to buying the owls last time. Now they have chickens. $24.99. Do get my 20% off discount though. $111. We're gonna eat at Pizzafari. haven't been here in so long. Got the chicken Caesar salad, which looks good, and I am trying the gnocchi. And we picked up a lovely corner table. Love all the whimsical artwork on the walls. Well, I have decided that I'm not really a fan of marinara sauce on gnocchi. I ate it, but I won't do that again. And the marinara sauce here is very salty. This brings back so many memories. Old school. That's awesome. $16.99. That's really neat. Corn on the cob holders. $14.99. Okay, what is this? New nestled plush. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you get all three. Wow, look at that. And how much is that for all three? $44.99. That's not bad for 3 plush. It is 2:23 and we're headed out because our room is ready. We just got off the tram, hasn't pulled away yet. My phone says 2:30. They'd let us out a spot 2:30, row 2:30. Is that not funny? Well, that's coincidence. That's so wild. All right, we're in 232. Oh, they're all stopped up here. What on earth is going on? A wreck on Disney property. Oh God, it's a motorcycle. Oh, it was a motorcycle. So, we're headed to Bay Lake. This will only be the second time that we have stayed at Bay Lake Towers. And we're going under water right now.
We saw the bottom side of water.
Well, we saw the bottom side of concrete that's holding the water. Oh my, there is quite a line of people checking in. Okay, people like this silver car right there, they're being a butt because a second security person came out and pulling people to the right, and instead of letting the next vehicle go, they get out of line like they're being impatient. Not nice. And
Passing people.
yeah, they're basically passing people in line. Yeah, that's just not courteous. Okay, Seal, you protect the vehicle, okay? All right, we've said it before. We love this wagon. It saves us so many trips. One of us pulls this, the other one takes those two.
And we still talk to each other when we get to the room.
Yeah, and we don't use like the bellhop people.
Or colorful language.
This is so nice to not have to roll this stuff on carpet. It like goes so much smoother. Oh, there's the carpet. Shucks. Oh. We're going straight to see what the view is. Wow. All right, we get to watch water transportation. Is that locked? Wow.
This isn't bad at all.
We were worried when we were like, oh crud, we're on the first floor. There we're not gonna have any view, but this isn't bad at all.
This is awesome.
Because you know what, this is great, hon? We don't even have to like go back in the building. We just walk over to go to the shops and food and refill our mug and stuff.
Cool.
This is actually really, really cool.
No complaints. No complaints.
Oh. All right, let's
Okay,
take a
actually, I
look.
do have one complaint.
Oh, shucks, there's only one bed. That means we have to sleep together.
Again. I think I left my phone in the car.
Oh, ho, 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 ho. Okay. All right, here we go. I don't even remember. It's been years, so I don't even remember the room looking like this.
The couch, a table.
Look, a cabinet right here. So, FYI, these rooms are getting ready to be renovated starting at the end of this year. Yeah, they're going to be renovated, which you can kind of see the wear and tear
I guess there
on
is.
here. Okay, you're making me nervous because our stuff is out there and the door is shut. It makes me nervous. I don't trust people.
This is
Oh,
awesome.
wow. Okay, hold on. Okay. We have the typical, you know, pillows, irons, luggage rack, and safe. This is perfect to store our luggage and stuff.
Hello.
All right, look at it. Oh, you know what, honey? I do remember this kitchenette now. Okay, so you have like this little galley kitchenette here. All these shelves. Okay, maybe we should stay at Bay Lake a little more often. We normally don't because, you know, there's no Disney theming. But the convenience of walking to Magic Kingdom, getting on the monorail for Epcot is just what wins us over. A little fridge. Let's go take a look at the...
Which one of us is the one that suggested we stay here this time, hon?
That would have been you, and I didn't say a word. He's like, let's stay at Bay Lake, because we always stay Wilderness Lodge for Halloween. And then we stay one other time during the year. And what was last year? Actually, I think we stayed Wilderness Lodge both times. No, Old Key West. No, Old Key West was a trip before. We'll have to get back to you on it. I can't remember right now. I got to think of the trips and when we went. We went in May. I think we were at Wilderness Lodge both times, actually. All right, a little swimming. Because there's no Disney theming, and we like Wilderness Lodge too much.
But that's the contemporary.
Yeah.
And there's a monorail right there.
Look at an extra drawer. All these are drawers.
All right, you go video, I'll go find my phone.
Yeah. This is, we can deal with this. Now, last time we were on the other side, and we loved it over there because we actually got like part theme park view and part lake view. And we said, no, we're not going to request because we got to see if there's something better out there. Why is it not going all the way down? Is it just not folded in right? Okay. Maybe. I'm so glad they're doing this again. We were just discussing like really loving this area. It's nice because like everywhere else, like Wilderness Lodge, it would be on this wall. So like when he made coffee in the morning and needed lights on, you can see it from the bed. But here, it's totally contained. And this extra space for all of our like snacks and stuff that we bring is great.
Don't forget the pantry.
Oh, I already pulled that out. Yeah, I pulled that out. Because Wilderness Lodge has that too. Wilderness Lodge has a toaster.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Let me show you. This is nice. So there is an outlet underneath here. And they ran a little hole so the cords are up.
Do you want that side so when I'm sitting here with lights on and drinking coffee?
Yeah, that'll work because you can put your snoring machine right there. So, yeah, I'll take that side. And you can take this side.
Well, we both have a snoring machine.
Yeah, mine is yours. You. Mine is you. From the time we walked out of Bay Lake to right now is exactly 10 minutes. So it's a 10-minute walk. Very nice walk.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place, always